Behold, everyone, I have constructed a thing out of popsicle sticks. This took a very long time, but it is finally done. It is currently set on lock, and it does lots of stuff, all of it useless, but surely I can find a use for it one day. I can't even remember why I built this, but I just sort of woke up one day and I found this, and I remembered building it. Oh, the lawnmower is on. That's just great. Let me just close this door. It's a lawnmower going. It's super loud. Anyway. I suppose I'll give a tour of what it is. It is a puzzle box, I think. I think it was supposed to be a puzzle box. I don't know, I was very entrenched in some YouTube rabbit hole while building this. There's a hole up here. You should be able to see a little sweeper arm inside here that moves on the main wheel. If you rotate the orientation of the sweeper wheel into the correct position while this pin is pulled all the way out, then you should line it up with the first little bit, and you should be able to push this button in like a big red button and then rotate it 180 degrees exactly, no more, no less. And then inside here there should be another button. You should be able to close this one because this particular lever is on the bottom rung of the key switch thing, which is inside here. My goodness, that lawnmower is loud. Oh look, tasty bread. Anyway, after you've done that, you can also slide this pin in, which can only go halfway in because there is a secondary pinwheel on the center shaft inside here. Now then, if you rotate this shaft, I think it's about 30 degrees to the right. If you do it anymore, it will click back down into the thing and it won't work properly. And then you should be able to slide this pin in, which completes one stage of the puzzle. I can't even remember what it was supposed to do. I think I was going to hide the moonstone inside it or something, but then I got distracted with this tasty loaf of bread, and I forgot what I was doing. But yeah, I built this thing. It's a thing. It does stuff. It clicks. It makes mechanically... I don't know, it's a glorified fidget toy. But it was fun to make. And now you know that I made it. It did take me a while to make this wheel, completely out of popsicle sticks, might I add. This fancy wheel is one of my greatest creations in the previous 12 hours. I don't know, I had this weird urge to make a wheel out of popsicle sticks, and now it is done. And, oh yeah, also, you have to push it all the way in, otherwise it won't turn properly. If you push it all the way in, like, you really got to put pressure on it, otherwise it'll just sort of lock up and you won't be able to turn it. You can actually drive this little piston up by turning it like this. So, I don't know, maybe you could use it as a door latch. I was considering that. I could maybe put it on my room. You know, I just have this hooked up to a slightly better, less flimsy popsicle latch, and then I could use this to turn it. However, it is only one-way operational in that particular direction, and it cannot be turned backwards. It can only go a certain way for some weird reason, and it can't turn beyond a certain amount of degrees because of the way that it's latched until the pin has been pulled. And it lines up with this little hole that I made inside it. There's a little hole where the thing can spin around and then pass through the floor, but then in order to go all the way through the floor, you got to pull this little steeple has to come out. It's like a tiny little wooden sword. You got to pull it out of the stone. Oh, and then that will pop this little thing loose, allowing it to rotate in 360 degrees, but it will not rotate in 360 degrees under the weight of the box. So you have to actually have this thing elevated in order for the wheel to fully rotate. But once it's... Dang it, what am I... Oh, that's right. There's a secondary latch to stop it from turning beyond a certain range of motion. I think the range of motion is like 20 degrees or something. But if you want to unlock full rotation, you have to pull this little pin out, which makes a satisfying sliding sound when you do it. It's very satisfying. And then you can finally turn the wheel all the way around. And you can also turn it all the way back around. Yeah, I think I meant to use this for something useful, but I just sort of got carried away sticking popsicle sticks together. And this is the result of that. But I do definitely find much satisfaction in the clickety-clacketing of all these little turning pieces. When you sort of just... You've got to Oh dang it, it's giant. It looks tiny, but it's like really big in my little tiny hands. Turn this around. Oh! And then you can have the satisfaction of clicking all these buttons and dials together. There's something really satisfying about popsicle sticks made into tiny little levers and dials. Oh, also, there is a way to drive this pin all the way into the center, but it requires a very specific set of directions. You've got to take this thing down, and then you've got to turn it just the right amount, and then you've got to pull it down this way, and then you've got to turn it exactly 180 degrees in the left direction. Doing it in the right direction will not do anything. That will just jam the thing. It just won't turn. And then, finally, you can push the sword all the way into the stone made of wood. And it does nothing, because I haven't put any switches or buttons or anything inside there like I was originally going to do. And then I checked my bin of buttons, and I was out of push buttons. I mean, who the heck runs out of push buttons? It's just been so long since I've dismantled a crazy amount of electronics that I've just run out of parts. Actually, that's not entirely true. I do have a bunch of parts, but they're in the other house, and they're a really long way away, and I've got to open a bunch of lock and key doors with rusty padlocks, and I'm going through a refrigerator, and it's a whole thing. So, it does nothing but look cool to me. It might not look cool to you, but it does to me. So, thanks for watching my silly little puzzle box video. See you around. Goodbye.